Our next puzzle to solve is the white center of the 5x5. This center is made up of 3 individual lines that I can connect to form the center. So the ultimate step would be to have 2 already connected, and then I'll just connect the third one. We'll have to learn skills that can allow us to build these lines without breaking what we've created already. It helps to use the middle layers to position the pieces, since it won't affect the top or bottom layer. Let's do an example solve. I see these 2 can connect, and now I need a third piece here. This piece can move there, but these are on the way. So if I move these 2 over here, this piece can come in, but it will be on the wrong spot. So I'll have to bring this to this corner so that when I bring it down, they align with the other 2. I'll keep this at my top. I see I have these 2 and 1 piece over here. And this is the same position as this empty spot. So that means I can simply rotate that layer to complete the next line. Now I'll move this to the top, and my last piece last line I need to make is here. Now notice that if I would connect these, it would break what I've done already. That means I have to restore it as well. So I'll connect this line, and because I'll have to restore it, I need to align this layer in a way that the restoration won't break that line. Let's just have a look again. So from here, I connect my third line. I rotate the layer so that I can undo the first move to restore those 2 without breaking the third line. Now I just need to align the top layer so that the middle layer can come in and complete the puzzle. Let's do another example. All right, I've got 2 here that could connect with this middle piece. If it is on top here, I could move that in. So let's rotate this face so I can connect these pieces, and I'll place this at the top. Now I've got 2 here that could connect to this one, this corner. All I need to do is rotate this face so that this corner can connect with those lines. Now I want to bring this line in connection with this line, so I'll rotate this face so that I can move this line to the top without breaking the line I've already made. I see 2 pieces here. Now since they're both in the same layer, I'll have to rotate one of them so that they can connect with each other. The last white piece is over here, and if I want to connect it to this spot, it will have to be over here. So I'm going to rotate this face to get my last corner in the position where I can rotate it into place. The last step would be to connect the white pieces all to form the center. Let's do another example. Okay, I've got two middle pieces here that I can connect with my middle block to form my middle line. Over here I have two already connected that I'll turn vertically. Now to bring this piece into this corner, I'll have to have it come from this spot. So I'll have to rotate this face before bringing in that piece to complete the line. I'll connect these two lines by rotating this face, bring up that line, and now my last line. Let's see, here is one corner and another. Since they're in line with each other, I'm gonna turn this face before bringing them in line. Now I've got one piece left, which is at the bottom layer. This is a little bit harder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this face so that this piece can come in here, but that will push out this layer. However, since the layer is still intact, all I have to do is align this or turn this face so that all three lines are in line with each other, and I can simply bring them back to complete the center and solve the puzzle.